In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to do affiliate marketing in 2022. This method is great for beginners, and it's actually the way I made my first $200 with affiliate marketing. You're going to start over at capterra.com and look up software categories. Browse all categories. Capterra is a website that showcases pretty much any kind of software you could ever imagine. I'm going to choose photo editing software. A lot of these are new and up-and-coming softwares that you could potentially become affiliates for. You want to find a software that has really good ratings and low reviews, because that means it's a newer software. So you're going to take it and search the exact name on Google and make sure it doesn't have any ads running for it. Also, you want to make sure it has a fair amount of searches per month. I would go with over 2,000. Next, check to see if it has an affiliate program. If it does, sign up. The reason I mentioned finding a software that doesn't have any ads up top is because what we're going to do is we're going to run the ads, and because nobody else has any ads for it, we're going to be the only one that pops up when people search for this name. So when people click on our ad, we're going to get the commission. So next, all you want to do is create a Google Ads account, start a campaign for the software that you want to promote, and make sure you put your affiliate link in the website for the ad. That way, whenever anybody searches that exact name of the software, you're going to be the only one that pops up. Which means anytime anybody goes to sign up for Designify, you're going to get the commission. I actually ended up making $207 the first week that I tried this method. So yes, it actually works. Like and follow for more.